esas ansias locas de querer.
This is 2024 Dodge Ram 1500. There's no listing for 24 model, but I'm going to take a chance using 23, which they do have. We are using Maestro RR along with the CH3 interface harness, and I'm hoping to see everything works out. First thing we're going to do is remove that rubber mat here. There should be 2 7 mils here. All the models, they usually have a little dummy panel or the lighter plug that you're going to have to remove, but I don't think this one has. And just pull this forward like that. Radio comes out like that. Pretty simple. And just detach all the harnesses behind the radio. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the radio and see if the whole car functions are working properly without having the radio. Get all the models. If you don't use the Maestro R module, the odometer indication flashes on and off. Let me see if that's what it does on this one. Let me start the car. Indication so far, but we are using Maestro anyway. That should be okay. Alright, so we got the whole bezel out, and we're gonna remove these 4 screws here. You can use either Phillips or 7 mil. The Maestro harness and the radio harness, just match the colors. Whatever that matches, use. Whatever don't match, don't use. It's pretty simple. Color to color. Red goes to red, yellow goes to yellow, black goes to black. All colors should match. Whatever don't match, don't use. The only thing you may have to be careful is that some of these radios, they come with orange, white, as like this one is a dimmer. Some of them, they give you this one as like a reverse cam or amp turn on. So that's the only thing you have to read to make sure that what you're connecting is the correct wire. Other than that, all colors should match. We're gonna connect the CAN wire key harness. Basically, you're just gonna pop this headlight cover. It pulls out. Behind, you'll see a green CAN bus junction box here. You're gonna unplug any of these. It doesn't matter which one because they're all CAN. So you're just gonna unplug any of those. It has the Maestro supplied the male and female. So you're just gonna simply unplug one, any of it, then plug male side to here, female, well, it's just male side on this one. That goes back into the place where you unplugged it, and this gets plugged into female side. So it basically loop the other way, yeah. And that provides the CAN wire that connects to the Maestro module. Right, so everything seems to be working. We are using Maestro RR flash for 23, even though this vehicle is 24. Seems to be fine. Audio works. Steering wheel control works. Only thing it didn't provide the output was the cam. And I spoke to Maestro, and Link said they don't have any integration for the backup cam for this one because this is one of those CAN bus module. I happen to have this module, which we were using for Jeep Wrangler, which didn't work. So they sent us another one, I believe the other one was a CHO2, maybe 3. And this one seems like same plug. So we took a chance, and only thing we had to do is provide the power and ignition and constant power. We're just going to temporarily connect them together and hook up this one, burgundy one, to here, and the output that goes to the cam input on the radio, which is the rear cam here. Plug there. So it does work. So we put it in park, reverse.
I cut these ones. I try to reuse the brackets, but it's not fitting. So we gotta...
There is a plastic mount, original one, so we had to trim that off in order to make this chassis fit. You just gotta cut the plastic off on the back of the radio a little bit, and everything fits. And this radio happens to be a detachable face. Just snap that back in. And this also goes up and down and swivels like this.
Put this back in here. And I run the USB here.
Carplay works. It's
Take
wireless.
me to Walmart.
Everything works.